Hi guys, I am going to do a get ready with me intro for this video and try out some new products that I've been sent and then share some of my favorite products too, and then give you a bit of an intro into what's going to be happening in the video. So I just washed my face and I'm gonna do my skincare kind of routine to start with. So I've been using these Ordinary products, the new Buffet updated formula, and it's like this crazy blue color. You see that? And I honestly think it's been making quite a big difference. I don't know if it's just doing something because I wasn't really doing hardly anything before. And then the multi-peptide eye serum. This is amazing. I just use one drop like that. And then I think it's been pretty good. After that, I have been using this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Cream. I don't know if I'll get it again, to be honest. I kind of want to try something else. My favorite Glow Recipe product, actually, which I've just run out of, but I definitely will buy again, is this toner. It's like watermelon, and then that's pretty much all I do in terms of skin prep. And then unless you count this, the Glossier Future Dew, I think of it more as like a makeup base. So yeah, it's so nice. And then after that, what do I do? Concealer. I also use a Glossier concealer, which is amazing. G11, the stretch concealer, and I use this highlight hitter makeup max brush. Put it on. Gorgy. Okay, what's next? I'd probably do brows. But yeah, my brows, I just use Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit. I just think it's really easy. All the products I use because they just fast and easy mostly. So yeah, just really slap it on. There's not really a method to this. Gorgy. I've forgotten sunblock. Now for the exciting part. I got a mineral tint from Maurice, one of my favorite skincare brands. I'm obsessed with their treatment balm. So I use this all the time. I had another one. It's a bit dented because I take it everywhere with me in my handbag and stuff. Such a nice color. It's gonna be perfect for me. Amazing. Oh yeah, it's really kind of like sheer and like balmy, which I love. So, oh yeah, that's amazing. This is amazing because often with cream blushes, I find that they are very pigmented and you put like a little bit on, it's hard to get it just even and light. But this like feels incredible and it's like super easy to put on, not possible to mess up. Oh my gosh, I love this. This is probably gonna be my new everyday product. Go out and get it, y'all. The Maurice Mineral Tint. Damn, love that. Okay, so after that, I will curl my lashes. I do also use this Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. It's really amazing if you want your brows to stay in place. It keeps them in place, but it also, I feel like, stops your brows from smudging your brow pencil because it kind of sets everything. I think I'm good. It's basically my full daily makeup look. So in this video coming up, I think we're gonna go to the beach with some friends, concert. We're going to the Fortet concert, which is cool. It's got like all these crazy lights and stuff, just general other stuff that we do. We've got a trip planned upstate soon, but I don't know if I'll fit all of that into this one video, so maybe they'll have to wait till next time. But yeah, I hope you enjoy that content. Like a distinguished gentleman. We're going to my favorite place, Ichiran. we're gonna walk there. First time I went was in Japan, and they have one in Brooklyn, so I'm happy about it. Yay!